Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can update Discord on your PC. So let's get started. Updating Discord on your computer is quick and easy. First, open Discord and look at the top right corner of the window. If a new update is available, you'll see a download arrow icon. Click on it and Discord will immediately begin installing the latest update. If that update icon isn't visible, close the Discord window using the X button. Next, open the Hidden Icons section in your taskbar, locate the Discord icon, right-click it, and choose Check for Updates. Discord will then search for any available updates. If no updates are found, right-click the Discord icon once more and select Quit Discord to completely close the application. After a few seconds, relaunch Discord. During startup, Discord automatically checks for updates and installs them before opening. If Discord still doesn't update, it's possible that no update has been released for your version yet, or the update rollout hasn't reached your account. In that situation, you can try installing the Discord public test build. To do this, visit the official Discord website and open the Download page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Feeling Experimental and click the Download Test Build option. Install the test version on your computer and then check for updates again. Using the test build can sometimes give you access to newer updates and features before they arrive in the standard version of Discord. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.